Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this Samsung. Firstly, access settings and tap on sounds and vibration. Over here, select sound and tap on the switcher next to vibratory ringing to turn on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on vibrate and mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then scroll down, click on call vibration pattern and select one of the patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can do the same for your notifications by tapping on notification vibration pattern, select one of them and going back as well. Now choose vibration intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications and touch vibrations by swiping left or right. After that, go back. Choose System Sound Vibration Control, scroll all the way down and click on the switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!